BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. About 2 weeks ago, Microsoft rolled out the then latest dev channel inside a preview build 25188, and as I did post on, and I've just paused the video I uploaded to YouTube at the relevant timestamp and screenshot. In build 25188, one of the hidden features that they made available, which wasn't officially recognized by Microsoft in the release notes, was the Task Manager Live Kernel dump files in build 25188. Now, just to do a very quick recap, here we can see in the screenshot that I did show you in that video. If you right-clicked on a process in the Task Manager in build 25188, there was a right-click context menu option, create live kernel dump file, live kernel dump. And just to do a quick recap in case you're unaware, kernel dump files create a snapshot of the kernel memory on Windows. And basically they are used to troubleshoot blue screens of death, driver errors, app crashes, just to mention a couple of examples. Now, the difference between a kernel dump file and a live kernel dump file is that a live kernel dump file doesn't require a system reboot to create that, to create a dump file, where a normal kernel dump file requires a system reboot. So that's the difference. So it's just makes analyzing different issues in the operating system a lot simpler and easier to do. Now, earlier this week, and I actually posted on this yesterday, Microsoft rolled out their latest dev channel build for this week, build 25197. And the option to create a live kernel dump is now actually a official feature now that Microsoft is starting to test in build 25197 this week. Now, just to go back a little bit here once again, in the previous build, the live kernel dump option wasn't working. So it was a hidden feature and it was still very early days. So this notification message was popping up for the live kernel dump files. The operation could not be completed. The operation is not valid for this process. So it was early days for that live kernel dump process. Now, if we head to the next screenshot from build 25197 that rolled out to the dev channel insiders this week, as mentioned, that live kernel dump file, these are just screenshots taken, by the way, from that build. The option to create a live kernel dump file is now active, and we can see now when you do that, it says the file has been successfully created and the file is located, and it gives you the actual location of that dump file that you can head over to without rebooting your system, as mentioned, or you can open the file location and then you can just go through that to troubleshoot different issues like driver errors, blue screens of death, app crashes, and so on in build 25197 now. So just want to let you know about that. As mentioned in that previous build, it was a hidden feature, and now this week in build 25197, those live kernel dump files now have become an official feature that Microsoft is now testing. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.